we have been telling you all morning long, all afternoon long, not to go outside unless you have to. Wait until you hear about the emergency situation that one mother found herself in earlier today.
A story to remember. News 8's Laura Hutchison tells us about the baby who couldn't wait to get here. Laura.
Yeah, well, you know, when you peek outside, you know that driving in this isn't fun. Well, one New Haven woman went into labor and knew that she had to go to the hospital, but guess what? She was told it was too early to have her baby. She actually went back and forth to and from the hospital 3 times before her little bundle of joy was born. Allow me to introduce you to New Haven Hospital's little storm baby. This is Kari Ellis. The last time mom got to the hospital was, listen to this, 8 o'clock this morning, and boy was she ready, because her little girl was born just 44 minutes later.
Yeah, I was screaming, telling them to hurry up, and I thought the baby was coming in the car. My water broke in the car.
Ooh, talk about an exciting morning. And shaking her head.
Oh, been there, done that, but not on the highway.
Or in a major snowstorm.
Right?
Yeah, no.
I'm happy to say that baby and mom, Weedalise Rodriguez, both doing well. And if that was an exciting start to life, things are about to get even better. She's the youngest of 4.
Oh my gosh, congratulations to them.
Great story.
Thanks,
Laura.
Laura.